The reason why I'm only using Confixor in her hair, I might add a little bit of Sap Moss spray gel, but you want something to hold the curls together once you've dried them. You need a support system. And in order for the curls to stay collected together and to stay nice and bouncy, you have to have a styling gel in there that will hold that curl. And you can see as I'm working it in, I'm making a fist. Everything is uplifted and in a fist formation rather than raking through such as that. I'm going to add a little bit of Sap Moss spray gel. This is a little firmer hold gel. The top of her hair here is even less curly. So we really want to get something that's going to hold that curl in place. So I'm actually spraying it into my hand. I prefer that so that I can really see the quantity that I'm putting in the hair. Again, it's about a quarter size. And I'm going to work that into the top of her hair. It's important to customize. One product is not going to do it all. You have to customize your product to your hair type and what look you're going for the day. If she was going to wear her hair straight, will have a whole different set of products, a whole different regimen. And that makes it really fun because she can be versatile with her hair.